Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust a CPU and GPU settings in BlueStack application player. So here you can get this BlueStack 5 for free. You can download from official website of BlueStack. And in order to set the CPU and GPU, you can click a three stripe at the top right of your screen, top right corner, this one, and click settings. And here you can allocate your CPU. For example, I'm using the higher of my cores is 4 cores. Assigning all CPU cores to BlueStack will cause overall system to lag or slow down. I recommend you to just open this BlueStack app in order to play the game. When you play the game, and here you can allocate your memory. So the higher is 8 GB. So I do have a 16 GB of RAM, but the higher memory allocation is only 8 GB. So you can configure it. And performance mode. So here, if you click the question mark, you can learn the details. So here we go. You can choose which performance mode should I choose here. If your PC has 8 GB and 16 GB RAM, you can use balance mode. So if your desktop or laptop has more than 16 GB of RAM, you can choose high performance mode. So here I do have 8 GB, so I choose balance mode. So here you can set to low memory if you have old CPU, for example. So you can choose this low memory. And also you can adjust the frame rate. You can enable high frame rate, enable vertical syncs to prevent screen tearing, and display FPS during gameplay on these performance settings. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.